Hi everyone, today I'm excited to share how TikTok can transform your approach to online advertising. Let's discover why this vibrant platform should be on your brand's marketing radar. Imagine a platform where millions interact daily. TikTok isn't just social media, it's a cultural phenomenon attracting young, engaged audience. This is your chance to stand out in a competitive market. TikTok's format features short, creative videos that capture attention quickly. If you have a few seconds to impress, this is where your creativity can shine. How do you reach the right audience? TikTok's powerful targeting tools let you focus on age, interests, behavior, and location, ensuring your investment reaches those who matter most. And virality, a single TikTok video can spark trends, potentially reaching millions and elevating your brand globally overnight. Finally, TikTok fosters a positive environment. Marketing here enhances your brand image and builds lasting relationships. A joyful brand is one people want to support. To sum up, if you want your brand to be seen, engage authentically, and even go viral, consider TikTok. Don't wait, the opportunities are as vast as your creativity. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see your brand thrive on TikTok. See you, bye bye.